Shalom, this is Daniel Stern coming at you from our offices in Jerusalem. As you know, I'm part of the Netivyah Bible Instruction Ministry, and I was recently invited to Slovenia to participate in a day, a conference, a seminar, which the purpose of it is to support Israel, to stand with Israel during these times, to combat anti-Semitism, to understand how Europeans, a European country, Christians around the world can stand with Israel, stand with God, and support us during this time against the forces of evil, against Iran, against the Hamas, against anti-Semitism, against the rising tide of darkness. So I will be speaking on May 13th in Slovenia, and on May 12th participate in the 13th anniversary of the Messianic Jewish Congregation in Slovenia. And it is a great honor to be there because this subject is very important. We cannot stand by and assume that everything will be okay. We have to take an active step in combating anti-Semitism and in standing with Israel. Many of you over the last 7 months, and of course for years and decades, have stood with Netivyah and have stood with Israel and have stood with God. And I want to thank you for that. Thank you for standing with us for this time. In the book of Esther, God had selected Queen Esther, had put her in the right place at the right time to be a tool, to be used by the Lord to fulfill His plan for the salvation of Israel. Such today, we need to make the choice to be used by the Lord. God can do it anything, and God chooses to use us, to use people. And we have to, like Esther, or like Samuel the prophet, who was woken up in the night and was told to say, Hineni, I am here, I am available, I am willing to be used as a tool of God to fulfill His will and His plans. So you too, and I, all of us, need to be willing to be used by the Lord. So please, stand with us in prayer on Sunday the 12th and Monday the 13th as I speak in Slovenia in these two conferences, the anniversary of the congregation and the conference for Israel. And afterwards, I'll also provide the link to view the conference, not live, but it will be recorded, and you can watch it as well. But more importantly, stand in prayer with us. God bless you all.